Till now we have covered the difficult words, we have also understood the lesson. So, now we will do some exercise. Here we will do some fill in the blanks in the exercise. There are two different ways of having exercise. There will be fill in the blanks and MCQ also. You have to think and then answer. I will also give you the answer, so you have to try yourself. Let us begin. This is the first question. This question says, the employment of children in factories below the age of dash dash is prohibited by law. Now, you have to think which age. Is it age 14? Is it age 16 or is it age 18? You have to think and then tell what is the right age that they are not allowed to enter in the factories. So, you can see the answer. The right age is below the age of 14. The employment of children in factories below the age of 14 is prohibited. Now, let us see the next question. This is question number 2. It says that religion is the concern of the dash in a secular state. You have to think the right answer. Out of the three options, the first option is individual, the second option is society, the third option is state. You have to choose the right answer. The answer is individual. Religion is the concern of the individual in a secular state. There are more questions. Let us have a look at them. This is question number 3. It says, no dash education can be imparted in any educational institution wholly maintained out of state funds. The first option says moral, the second option says religious, the third option says none of the two. So, you have to answer by thinking which is the right answer. You can see the right answer is the second choice, which is religious. So, no religious education can be imparted in any education institution wholly maintained out of state funds, because education is our main focus. Let us have a look at more questions. Now, this is question number 4. Religious or linguistic dash can establish their own educational institutions. Now, the choices are two. The first choice is minorities and the second choice is majority. You have to choose the right option. So, the right option is first option, which is minorities. The religious or linguistic minority can establish their own educational institution. This is the fifth question. In India, writs are issued by dash courts. The first option is lower court, the second option is subordinate, and the third option is high court. You have to choose the right answer. So, the right answer is high court. In India, writs are issued by high courts. Now, this is another form of question which comes under exercise. These are MCQ, multiple choice questions. First question: the number of freedoms guaranteed under the right to freedom is, you have to choose the right option. A option says 5, B option says 6, C option says 7, D option says 8. You have to choose the right answer which is correct. As you can see, the right answer is B, which is 6. As we all have understood and covered the 6 basic fundamental rights. So, that is why the answer is 6. Question number 2. Any person arrested by the police shall have to be produced before the nearest magistrate within a time period of how much hours? A option says 12 hours, the B option says 24 hours, C option says 36 hours, D option says 48 hours. So, you have to choose the right answer. The right answer is 24 hours. As earlier also I had explained that in case if a person is caught by the police, then that person has to be produced before the judge within 24 hours. Question number 3. A person arrested under preventive detention this is preventive detention. It means if a person does not know or is under the age of 18, is below 18, then that person needs to be given proper adequate counseling so that the person understand what is right, what is wrong, and how a person should see the future and should take the right decision. So, all these points comes under preventive detention. So, during this time that person can be kept in jail without trial for a maximum period of how much time? The A option says 3 months, B option says 6 months, C option says 12 months, and D option says 18 months. So, you have to choose the right option out of these four options. The right option is the maximum time period is 3 months, because during this time the person who is arrested would be kept under preventive detention. He will be kept in jail without trial, so that corrective measures can be taken and the person can be counseled for the better future, and the person should be aware that he has done some mistake and he needs to be corrected. Thank you. Namaskar.